Good morning. Today we're talking about the price of fuel. We need to lower price of fuel quite substantially to make it quite affordable for everyone. If I was to get Nigel Farage in power as become his MP, the price of fuel would be quite drastically dropped. If Nigel Farage was in charge, the price of fuel would be half of what it is today. With diesel and petrol could go to the same price as I could remember it, as 80.80 pence a litre, which will be very good for the people who drive cars. And other vehicles like delivery drivers will pay less for their fuel, and it will be substantially better. And another thing is, I would like to create deflation in the fuel market by reopening North Sea oil and gas. Why is that? Because if we put it under British ownership, we can sell it to the British people at such low price marks by scrapping fuel duty. I would like to drop the price down to at least by 80%, which should help households throughout the country of the poorest. And I will bring back the winter fuel allowance for all pensioners, because they've worked hard and they've paid 50 years worth of money into their own pockets. It is their money going back to them. What else? We have fantastic links with Poland, for whom I work with fantastic Polish people, Patricia Mai and Rafał Strans, and hope you all have a lovely day.